Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is industry experts must move into education business. Industry experts must move into education business. Ladies and gentlemen, as far as current condition of Indian education system is concerned, it is absolutely not good in any way. Absolutely not good in any way. And you just ask this question to yourself that if you are a graduate and if you are a postgraduate, why still you are unemployed? Now, what is the meaning of doing some kind of graduation and post-graduation? We do it for job. We do graduation and post-graduation because we want jobs, and this is the only reason of doing any kind of graduation or any kind of higher education. We need job, we need a source of income, and there are different sectors where people work as professionals, and in order to be in those particular sectors, you must have a certain level of qualification, because different job profiles, they require people of different qualification. That's why there are so many professions in this world, in this country also. So without being graduate, you cannot get any job, and job is necessary if you want to survive. This is the first criteria of establishing yourself in any society, in any community. You must have a job, you must have a source of income. But what if after studying so hard, after doing graduations, even post-graduations, people remain unemployed? A postgraduate person remains unemployed. What kind of situation we are facing here in India, ladies and gentlemen? That is the reason why I am saying that industry experts, the people who are having a good level of industrial experience, the people who are having a good level of corporate experience, who are well aware that what exactly is happening in corporate sector, what types of tools and technologies are being utilized in different types of industries, be it IT, non-IT, retail, marketing, whatever industry it may be. The person who has already worked in that industry, he is very well aware that what is happening inside that industry. What are those real life tools and technologies on which people are actually working? And if someone is aware of such type of tools and technologies because of his experiences, he must move into education department, and he must tell all the young people of India that yes, this is what happening in industry. This is what we are looking in industry in real life, and whatever you have been studying till now in your graduations and post-graduations, it is absolutely different from what people are exactly doing in industry. And this is the reason that even after being so much qualified, you are still jobless, you remain still jobless. This is the reason. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most crucial thing on which we should concentrate, and we are not sincerely concentrating on this. After all, what will be the source of income once you have completed your graduation or post-graduation? What will be the source of income? There is some task, you do that task, in return of that task you get some money. This is what we call job. There is some task that you have to do. There is some industry related to that particular task. There is some industry where that particular task is happening. You join that industry according to your qualification, and then you start working over there. The kind of task that is happening over there, gradually you gain expertise over there, and then you become a professional. This is what we call job. What else is job, ladies and gentlemen? This is job. But how will you ever be able to do something positive if there is a huge difference between what is happening in industry and what you are studying in your professional colleges? If there is no similarity between these two things, how can you get job? And this is the only reason that why even postgraduate people in India remain jobless for many years. Why even postgraduate people in India, they remain jobless for many years, and when they see that whatever they have studied in their PG also, it is nowhere in real life, they are forced to do other odd jobs which are absolutely different from their actual qualification. Preparing for some sarkari naukri, preparing for some other odd jobs, opening some shop, This is what people are doing after getting graduated in one particular subject. While studying as students in professional college, they really feel proud that very soon this course is going to complete and very soon we will be the part of corporate sector. But once they hit the corporate sector, they come to know that whatever they have studied in their colleges, it is nowhere in real life. It is nowhere in real life. And this is the reason that why most of the people, they are forced to prepare for government job. They are forced to prepare for establishing their own small shop, so that they can survive, because now they are having no opportunity according to their qualification. The next big question comes of survival. When you have nothing to implement, what will you do? Money earning is required, it is necessary. How will you run your family? So they are involved in other types of jobs. You will find many engineering graduates and many other such graduates who are absolutely not engineers, who are doing something entirely different in their life. Why? Because they have to support their families. If a person is fully satisfied that yes, whatever I am studying, it is definitely there in different parts of the country. So if I am not able to qualify a particular kind of interview related to my subject in one particular industry, definitely I will work hard and qualify the same interview in some other industry. But if absolutely nothing is there in the market, what will you do? People keep posting their resumes on job sites, but very, very rarely they get any call. Very rarely they get any call. The colleges who are having campus placement drives facility, they somehow adjust their students anywhere. If not in their core profile, they adjust them in some call center. Okay, at least you are having some job. Keep working over there. One day you will find what you are actually looking for. So they get their students settled. But what about those colleges where they are absolutely, where there is absolutely no placement cell? The people come out of those colleges and they remain jobless for many years. So the point here is, ladies and gentlemen, that whatever we are studying in our colleges, we are absolutely not utilizing it in any way, because there is no place for utilization. There is no place for utilization. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, industry experts, they must come into education business. It is my request to all the industry experts, all the people who have worked for industries for 15 to 16 years, 8 to 9 years. They know everything. They know what is actually going on in corporate world. They know that what are the tools and technologies which people are actually using in real life. So that's why such people can definitely bring a revolution in education industry, in higher education industry. That's why industry experts, they must come into education sector. They must try to establish dynamic educational institutions where only that thing is taught which is actually available in market. And since they are industry experts, they are very well aware of what are the tools and technologies which people are using in real life in industries. So they can really create good educational institutions. A good educational institution is that institution which teaches its students exactly according to what is available in this country, because what is the use of reading everything if you are not able to utilize it in real life? Merely gaining bookish knowledge is of no value, ladies and gentlemen. It is of no value if you have not seen the practical aspect of it. That's why I must request all the industry experts in the country, please come into education domain. Keep running your industries, no problem. That is your personal business, your choice. I am no one to tell you that what you should do. You are experts. But I can only request that please come into education domain also. Keep running your business, whatever you are doing, but please open a small educational institution also where you should tell students that what is actually going on in real life, where you should implement only those courses which are actually happening in real life, courses related to those tools, those technologies which people are actually using in real life. Only then we can ensure 100% job security for every type of graduate in the country. Otherwise, we will keep studying same old syllabus which we have been studying since last 20 to 25 years, and we are getting nothing out of that. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, it is my humble request to all the industry experts, please come into education sector also, and please make people understand that what is actually going on in industry, so that it can provide a good job security to our students. Thank you very much. Have a great day.